Have you felt this kind of a bad experience due to low ink of Pantum P2200 printer? But do you know it is possible to fix with making the printer chipless? It is an easy process. Stay with SetNFix. Making the printer chipless is an easy process. But you need the followings. Pantum P2200 printer. USB cable not longer than 1.5 meters. Computer with internet connection. INKCHIP firmware. Then you have to download the firmware. You can find the link in the description. Now, you can access the website to download the firmware. All the instructions are available on the website. Before proceeding, please ensure the following. The printer is turned on. Your computer is connected to the internet. The printer is connected via a USB cable. The printer driver is installed. If everything is set, you're just 5 simple steps away. Step 1. Download the software. Step 2. Obtain the code from the installed software. Step 3. Visit the web page, enter the code, and submit. Step 4. Receive the chipless firmware via email. Step 5. Use the installation software to install the firmware on your printer. Now, you can download the software here. Once downloaded, locate the file. Now install the software. Once the installation is completed, copy the ID. Then visit the website using the link below, enter your email address, and submit the request. Then paste the ID and send the ID. Make sure your printer is recognized correctly. Then buy the software. Now you will then receive an email with further instructions. After receiving the firmware via email, download it to your computer. Open the INKCHIP Chipless firmware application again, select Upgrade Firmware, and choose the firmware file in FWR format. The installation process will begin, and you'll notice the printer's indicator light blinking rapidly. Press the cancel button and wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, your printer will reboot automatically. Congratulations! Your Pantum P2200 printer is now chipless and ready for use. All the necessary links are provided in the description. If you need further assistance, feel free to contact via the WhatsApp number given below. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you've learned something new. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be innovative, and stay with SetNFix.